I found this glider at the Dollar Tree for $1. Let's see how it flies. Oh, test flight 1 was okay, but a little bad. So we're gonna be trying out all of these. Off was this one. I got it at Walmart for like $3. Oh, didn't go that great. I got it around for like $4. Let's see how it flies. Honestly, it was pretty cool. Let's do that again. Let's go. Yeah, I approve. So now, let's try this out. Okay, we gotta launch it. Now, I'm launching it. Okay, I guess. Now let's try the red one out. Oh, it almost went next door, but that's good. Cool, because you could put it up, you see, up or down. But for now, I'm gonna put it inside the middle to see how it goes. The next one I'm gonna do inside slow motion. It's gonna be super cool. So I'm gonna put the camera right there, see how it goes. Pretty good. Now the last one, we're gonna launch it up into there, inside slow motion. You all been waiting for. So this rocket is powered by baking soda and vinegar. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna open the baking soda. That's the amazing part. This claims to go up to 100 feet. We're gonna see if that's real. I'm gonna fill it up all the way to the max. See, filling up, some more, and we're officially at the max. You can see right there. And we're ready to go with the base. Pour the vinegar into the rocket. It goes right there. And we're gonna fill it up to the max right there. The rocket before flies to 100 feet, supposedly. Let's see if I don't lose it forever. We're gonna be filling it up now.
There we go. Fill it all up, you see.
Okay, let me see now. It went to... We still need some more. Okay, it's now officially full. So I'm gonna point the camera up. And we are going to insert the rocket into the base. Wait, what's happening? So that was definitely not 100 feet. So we're going to be going round 2. Let me insert the rocket into here. We're going to feel the pressure to build up. More higher. Actually, the whole thing blew up. We're attempting another launch, the force one. Let me set it up. We're getting the pressure we need. Helicopter 5 below, it cost me $5. Let's see how it flies. Honestly, it's pretty cool. And we're gonna land. And that was a sort of successful landing.